guys, and welcome to my winter wash and go routine, and I'm going to be taking you guys step by step throughout every single process, starting with me picking my products off the shelf, as you guys can see. And so I am choosing everything that I'm going to be using for this wash day, but we're going to get more into that a little bit later. So I think this is like an old braid out or twist out, but either way, girl, I think I slept on it without a bonnet or a scarf and my hair dry, as y'all can see, and it just looked unhealthy right now, to be honest with you. But we're gonna fix that with some H2O. And y'all know, if you are not new to my channel, you know that water is essential. So I really drench my hair as much as I can before I even go in with my shampoo. But the shampoo I'm going to be using is the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse Shampoo. And y'all, this stuff feels so good on my hair. It just, I don't know, it clings on, and you can really control where you put it. And I know y'all probably like, girl, you never put your shampoo on like this. And I don't. But honestly, in the wintertime, I try to cut down being in this shower as much as I can. So all my sections got minimized. That's just what it is. So as you can see, my hair is in 2 sections and not 4, because I normally deep condition with 4 sections. But I just have my hair in these 2 sections, and I'm honestly just gonna add the deep conditioner on, and I'm doing a heavy amount, and I'm using the Weedad Melt Down Extreme Repair Mask. And y'all, I really liked how this felt on my hair. It was kind of slimy, but it clinged to my hair just like the Camille Rose shampoo. I don't know, it was a slimy, weird consistency type of day, but I was here for it. Friend, do you see my curls? Like, for real, y'all see my curls? They poppington. Yes, we did. Not sponsored, but it could be. Hey. But anyway, so I have my deep conditioner on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer. I told y'all I was taking y'all step by step, even showing y'all the struggle of me taking this clip out. But don't talk about me though. Okay, thanks. So I'm gonna just sit under my dryer. Now this dryer came from Amazon, but they don't sell it anymore. I'm so sorry, you guys, but you can sit under any dryer you got and do some work. Okay, don't just sit there for nothing. And we're back after 30 minutes of sitting under the dryer. Your hair is going to look even more shrunk and weird, but it's going to be very soft and moisturized and shiny and stuff, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to go ahead and rinse out all of that deep conditioner / hair mask, because that's the same thing, right? Now I'm going in with the Mielle Avocado Hair Milk, and if you guys have been following me for some time now, you know I love a good hair milk. And if you have low porosity hair, hair milk is like a must. Like, they're super moisturizing and keeps my hair moisturized a lot longer. So now I'm going in with, y'all know this is one of my favorite products of all time. This is the Mielle Curling Custard. Y'all, I don't know what the curling sculpting custard is. I get a lot of people asking me that. I just want to let y'all know I don't work for these brands, so y'all don't really gotta ask me. Y'all can go ask them. But yeah, I don't know what a sculpting gel is. Mine always just say a curling custard. But I love this stuff. If you're new to my channel, I really love this stuff. So yes, I am adding the avocado hair milk, and then I'm going in with the Mielle Curling Custard. Ooh, both Mielle products. So yeah, I'm just adding those 2 products and then moving to the next section. Now in this last section, I'm gonna start with that section and go in with the gel. But you really do want these products to kind of marinate in your hair before you go putting your gel on top of that. So that's why I like to put those products on now and then move on, because I want my hair to be really moisturized, especially in the wintertime. So I'm going in with the Wetline Extreme Gel. And I am going to make sure that I twirl all of my ends in the same direction. And the reason I want to do that is we want to avoid any single strand knots or anything that wind can cause. And we are in the colder months, so you need to look out for that, because that causes a lot of single strand knots when your hair is just blowing in all different directions. So as you can see, I'm twisting the hair in the same direction at the end so that my ends aren't, you know, connecting. You guys get it? So that's how I kind of avoid a lot of single strand knots, because I can't take that. And do not worry about your roots at all. We are going to handle that later. I'm going to be showing you guys my entire stretching routine, so get ready, baby. And your girl has been rocking a middle part. Like, I'm so proud of myself. I've been trying, girl. It didn't end up being a bang, but we ain't talking about that. That ain't what we talking about. So as you guys can see, my curls are popping 10. Do-do-do-do. Nah, they look good though, for real. Hey girl, you look too good. Okay, so now I'm going to just sit back under the dryer with my best friend Sky. Y'all seen her little debut, like always. So I'm just sitting under here for about, I want to say 30 minutes or so. No, it was probably like an hour. Yeah, it was like an hour. But my hair is not completely dry. So what you want to do is dry your hair, and I like to use the Dyson. I honestly would prefer to use the Dyson because I haven't gotten results like this with any other dryer. I'm sorry. Listen, sis, not everything can be cheap, okay? Not everything. So this is basically the second step of the drying process, right? So first we sat under the hooded dryer or whatnot, and now we are drying with a diffuser. Now my diffuser isn't doing anything, you know, harmful or anything. It's on low heat or whatever, but I really want to target those roots because that dryer, that hooded dryer, doesn't really get all the way down. So after I get it dry enough for me to part my hair into 4 sections, then I can take the concentration nozzle and really stretch out my curls, and I stretch only at my roots. I do not go down like all the way down every time. Sometimes I will if I need to loosen some curls, but for the most part I just target the roots because you can get those roots as straight as possible, and that's why I just say you don't really need to worry about the roots. And after I stretch my hair with the dryer, I like to make sure that I let that sit. So I go ahead and put a hair tie on it and do just a little bit of banding because you want your hair to cool down in a stretch state for it to actually stay and hold a little bit longer, because if not, it's going to shrivel right back up. So if you can band as well, that's going to be perfect, and you really want to concentrate those bands at your roots. And as you guys can see, I am still using the diffuser, and that is because like I said, I do not want to separate any wet curls. So any curls that are actually still wet, do not manipulate them at all. Don't touch them until it's dry. So you need to go in with a diffuser and let it do its job before you even go touching it or doing anything, sis. As y'all can see, when you are done, the results are super freaking cute. It would be even elongated if you would actually band it. Like if I would have banded my hair, the stretch would have been insane. As you can see, I was going somewhere, so I couldn't. My makeup is done. You see me? I'm cute. I'm cute. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like after I have blown it out and done everything that I need to do. It's stretched, it's dry, it's done, and it feels amazing, you guys. It's so soft, yet it's so defined, and it just feels so good, so fluffy. It feels like it's gonna last me about a good 5 days, like for real. Like it feels so nice. So this is definitely my winter routine, you guys. My hair has not looked this good in a long time, okay? So yeah, I love how this looks so much. So I hope you guys really like this video of me just going step by step, letting you know everything that I do to get to this ending result, because it does take some time, baby, okay? But the results are worth it. I mean, this middle part even looks good on me. Y'all know I used to hate me some middle parts, but my hair is longer now, and I feel like maybe my face is slimmer for sure, and so it just fits now. What you guys think? I think it's cute. I think it's cute. Anyway, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.